Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing us how I made this delicious pepper soup. I used the goat intestine to make this pepper soup. It was so delicious. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. You can see the way the pepper soup is looking. It was very delicious. So let's move over to the video. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and wash the intestine and wash the protein I'll be using for this pepper soup. Make sure you wash it very well, as the goat intestine contains all these, stuffs like that. So I went ahead and added a water. I added only water here and close it, then allow it to boil. Just allow it to boil for once it just starts boiling and all those stuffs are coming out. Don't leave it to boil for a very long time. Once it just starts boiling, then you just go ahead, bring it down and give it a thorough wash. Why I'm washing it again is to remove all those stuffs. Of course, you understand what I'm trying to explain. All those stuffs, I don't like seeing it in my pepper soup. So I just went ahead to just throw away the water, wash the pot again, and then put the meat back into the pot. This is me putting back the meat after I have washed it. So the next thing I did is to go ahead and add salt, seasoning cube, pepper, and then a little water for it to steam. So this is me adding water. So the next thing I did is just go ahead, give it a good stir. Make sure you turn it very well. Then this is the pepper I added. This is actually Cameroon pepper. So I went ahead, turn it and allow it to boil. And while it's boiling, I went ahead to blend this. I have red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, Negro pepper, also known as Oda in Igbo, and African nutmeg, also known as Ehuru in Igbo. For the African nutmeg, I roasted it, then break it and use the seed. So it's the seed that is in this picture. So what I did is to go ahead and blend it using my blender. Make sure you blend it very well so that you won't see all those you won't see like all those, will I say, shaft or in your pepper soup. Make sure you blend it very well. So after blending it, I went ahead and pour it into the pot. So this is me pouring the blended negro pepper, ehuru, Scotch bonnet pepper, and red bell pepper. So after that, I went ahead and added water to it. Give it a good stir. So the next was I added the pepper soup spice. I just added the pepper soup spice. Then here you can go ahead and test for salt. If it's not okay, then you can add it. Then cover it and allow it to boil. So after some time, I open it up to check on the pepper soup. You can see our pepper soup is almost ready. So the next thing is just for you to go ahead and add your scent leaf. So this is me adding um chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. It's just to make the color pop. That is just it. So this is actually optional. So after that, you can go ahead and add your scent leaf. But while making this pepper soup, I was not having scent leaf, so I just made it like that. So that's just it. As you can see, our pepper soup is ready. Just go ahead and allow it to boil, for a little while. You can see the way our pepper soup is. Our pepper soup is ready. I did not have scent leaf, that's why I did not add it. So it's still okay that way. So this is just me serving it in a plate, and then that's just it. I hope you enjoyed something from this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.